Welcome to Napoleon Hill 2.0. Today you're about to discover the life-changing philosophy of Napoleon Hill from his rare 1954 lecture, Your Right to Be Rich. Yes, you heard that right. You have the right to be rich. And no, it's not just about money. It's about a rich life in purpose, health, happiness, and financial freedom. Let's dive deep into this powerful philosophy that changed millions of lives and can transform yours too. Segment 1, The Law of Abundance. Napoleon Hill belliches begin with a state of mind. He said, "There is a universal abundance. It's not a question of lack, it's a question of belief. If you believe that poverty is your fate, then poverty will follow you. But if you truly believe, with faith and burning desire, that riches are your birthright, then the universe begins to shift. We attract what we think about. We manifest what we expect. So, expect wealth. Expect success. Expect abundance. The power of definite purpose. What do you want in life?" Hill says that 98% of people never decide clearly what they want. And that's why they fail. You must have a definite major purpose, one clear goal you pursue with all your energy. This purpose becomes the magnet for your riches. Without purpose, energy is wasted. With purpose, every step counts. Write down your purpose. Say it aloud daily. Let it guide segment 3, Faith and Belief, Create Reality. Faith is more than religion. In Hill's philosophy, faith is a mental attitude, a power that transforms your thoughts into their physical equivalent. Faith gives your mind direction. It gives your words power. It turns wishes into plans, and plans into reality. Napoleon Hill reminds us, you become what you believe, and belief is built by repetition. Repeat affirmations daily. Visualize your goals. Feed your mind with possibility. Segment 4, Fear is the enemy of wealth. The greatest enemy of success? Fear. Fear of criticism, fear of poverty, fear of failure. But here's the truth. Fear only has the power you give it. Hill teaches that fear is a mental habit, and habits can be changed. Replace fear with faith. Replace doubt with action. When you act in spite of fear, it loses control over you. Every successful person once stood where you stand now, uncertain, scared, doubting. But they took the first step, and so must you. Segment 5, Wealth Begins with Service. You don't become rich by chasing money. You become rich by creating value, by serving others better than anyone else can. Hill said, "Render more service than you're paid for, and soon you'll be paid more than you render." This is the law of increasing returns. It's not just about working hard. It's about working with excellence, with purpose, with heart. Ask yourself, what can I give that others truly need? Solve a problem, ease a pain, or fulfill a desire, and wealth will follow. Segment 6, Your mind is your greatest asset. Your thoughts are your tools. Your imagination is your workshop. Your mind is your greatest asset. Guard it like treasure. Feed it with positivity, knowledge, and faith. Reject negativity, doubt, and gossip. Hill often quoted, "What the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." So conceive big dreams, believe in their reality, and take bold action. Segment 7, The Mastermind Principle. You don't grow rich alone. Hill introduced the idea of a mastermind group, a team of like-minded individuals working toward common goals. Surround yourself with people who believe in success. Share ideas, encourage each other, grow together. One mind is powerful, but multiple minds, aligned with purpose, are unstoppable. Segment 8, The Habit of Decision. Indecision kills dreams. Rich people decide quickly and change their minds slowly. Poor people decide slowly and change their minds quickly. Learn to trust yourself. Make decisions boldly and stand by them. Even if you fail, you'll learn faster and move closer to success. Indecision is fear disguised. Decision is faith in action. Segment 9, Persistence, the key to unlock wealth. No one succeeds without persistence. Your desire must be stronger than your excuses. When things get hard, and they will, don't quit. Napoleon Hill says, most people quit just inches from success. Failure is only feedback. It's the universe asking, do you really want this? Answer with action. Try again. Adjust. Persist. Segment 10, Claim your right to be rich. Let's go back to the heart of this lecture. You have the right to be rich, not by birth, but by belief. Not by luck, but by law, the law of cause and effect. Riches come to those who believe they deserve them, who serve with purpose, who think with clarity, who act with courage, who persist with faith. If no one has told you this today, let me tell you, you are worthy of success. You are capable of greatness. You were born not to survive, but to thrive. Your future is waiting. Your success is waiting. Your riches are waiting. Go claim them.